In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create conditional forms in Wix. Start by logging into your Wix account and opening the website you want to edit from your dashboard. Once the site loads, click Design Site to enter the editor. Next, add a form to your page if you have not done that yet. If your page already has a form, simply select the existing one. After that, double-click the form or click Edit Form to open the Form Builder. When the Form Builder opens, make sure you are on the Edit tab. This is where you can adjust the structure of your form and set up the logic behind it. On the left side, click the Rules icon. This section allows you to create conditional behavior for your form fields. Now click Add Rule to create your first condition. Choose the form field that will trigger the rule. This can be a drop-down menu, a radio button field, a checkbox, or another supported field in your form. After selecting the trigger field, set the condition that must be met. For example, you can base the rule on a specific answer or selection the visitor makes. Once the condition is set, choose the action you want Wix to perform. You can show certain fields, hide fields, make a field required, or skip to another part of the form. This is what makes the form conditional and allows it to respond based on what the visitor selects. If your form needs more advanced behavior, repeat the same process to add more rules. You can build multiple conditions to guide visitors through different paths in the same form. This is useful when you want to keep the form clean and only display questions that are relevant. After setting up your rules, test them directly in the Form Builder. Go through the form and make sure each condition works the way you expect. Check that the correct fields appear, disappear, or become required based on the responses you choose. When everything looks right, click Save in the top right corner. Then return to the Wix editor. From there, click Preview to test how the form works on your live page layout. This final check helps confirm that the conditional logic works properly for visitors. If everything is working correctly, click Publish to make your updated conditional form live on your website. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.